This video is a while in the making, but I wanted to find something I could confidently recommend to you guys. Athena shut down back in April of 2022, which I can confidently say as a creator was one of the worst pieces of news I could receive. Since then, I've been working diligently on finding a capable replacement, and here's what I found. So what exactly was I looking for? If you've never heard of Athena, you can check out the video I did on them literally months before they announced they were shutting down. Link up in the top right corner of the screen. Since then, I've been on the hunt for a capable replacement and realized there aren't that many great ones out there, but I did find one that was better than most, and I've been privileged to be able to provide valuable feedback and critique to their platform. Enter eclipse.gg, link down in the description below. But before I fully jump into the platform, I want to put this out there. I am in no way endorsed by Eclipse. They're not paying me or providing me any benefits for creating this video. This is solely my views and opinions on the platform, and as such, I will be telling you my honest opinions. So why is a platform like this a must-have? Most content creators fall into one of two categories. Either you're too busy to go back through a long stream and pull out good moments, or you're just too lazy to. And that's okay as well. But let's face it, it's a cumbersome job to go through all of those streams and go through just tons of footage just to find maybe 2, 3, 4, or 5 minutes of actual good content. Then you got to edit it, post it to social media, track the results, rinse and repeat. It's a recipe for quick burnout. And for me, Eclipse ticks a lot of the boxes that Athena had checked, but not fully. Let's go over some of the goods and the bads of the platform. So let's start with the good of the platforms. It's really easy to use. You just connect your accounts and stream, and then the AI does all the work for you. It's great for people with very little or zero video editing experience. However, if you're willing to learn some simple video editing techniques, you can accomplish so much more and a better experience for your viewers. They have really cool templates that you can use. They just released a game UI template for free. Usually things like that are paid on other platforms, which allows you to crop a third of the area of your clip. And they have different template themes, including holiday templates, and they just released the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 template. They're also going to be introducing closed captions, so it's a feature that is coming soon. Their AI will not only generate your long streams, but will also convert them into clips and then generate closed captions for you. They just integrated Twitch clips into the platform. Right now, the main issue for me is it currently sorts randomly with no way to change sorting, and you can only filter by recency, which is like 7 days, 30 days, or all time. They do have an easy Twitch clip to TikTok converter. So again, you can kind of edit those Twitch clips and put them in kind of a short form content format and make it look really, really good. And they have an AI generated weekly showcase that makes it easy for longer form content using copyright free music. However, it doesn't edit the clips to the music like Athena did. Basically what it does is it creates the clip. It basically meshes all of your clips together and just puts music behind it, which is something you could really do in like Windows Media Player or something. It's not as advanced as Athena was, but I'm sure they're gonna get there pretty soon. The eclipse.gg community is a really solid community on Discord. Issues are quick to be resolved, and their staff is really responsive. The platform works really well on a select few games. In my opinion, it needs some work on others. Like Call of Duty works really, really well, capturing those kills, multi-kills, those highlight moments. However, I'm more of a PUBG player, and the PUBG needs some work. They have moments, but it's not a lot of valuable moments for me. When I'm playing COD, I get a lot of really, really good content. They also support games like Rocket League, League of Legends, games like that. So I don't really play those that much, but I'm pretty sure you could gain a lot of really good clips based off of those games as well. All right, here's the bad part. So they have a freemium program. So they have a free tier, and then they have a paid tier. And in my opinion, there's no real need to get the paid platform unless you're streaming more than once a day or you're needing 1080p videos. I don't, because all I use them for is YouTube Shorts and TikToks, but your use case may be different. You may want or need faster transcoding. This takes a while regardless. You might want more TikTok and YouTube short video templates. Again, most of the ones that I've dealt with are free and they're really good, and I don't really have to pay for them. Some of the things that they have on their website are broken legacy items that are meant to be removed. So they are working diligently to try to clean up the web application. Part of the editing process, you don't have a whole lot of flexibility in the editing process. For me, I'd like to have the ability to add images over TikTok videos, such as like a logo or things like that. Have more editing capability for clips. Right now, you can only trim the end or the beginning of a clip. You can't actually edit the middle of a clip to remove the dead space or the non-entertaining moments. So for me, $11.99 a month, that's $11.99 USD, US dollars, might be a little bit steep for right now for what you're getting. The caveat for me though is, as a developer myself, I know the computing power it takes and the scale required to do the work that the platform does, but most people in their demographic might not know. I would say dropping it to $4.99 a month would be much more palpable for the casual content creator for what you're actually getting out of the platform. Now, with all of that being said, this has been by far the best platform since Athenascope's untimely departure. The community is really responsive, and the company makes it a point to take feedback from the community and implement that feedback. You can talk directly with team members. I've been able to talk and work with the developers to help provide feedback both from a technical standpoint as well as give input on user experience of their online platform and their mobile app. They have a mobile app. It's currently only available on Google Play as they're still working out some details with the Apple App Store. But the question remains, is Eclipse a full-on replacement to Athenascope? No. In my honest opinion, it's maybe halfway there. I think Athenascope is the gold standard in AI-generated clips because their algorithms and modeling were tuned so well, but that does come with time. And I think Eclipse will get there. They're growing rapidly, they're ambitious, and they're constantly releasing improvements to the platform. So what would I tell Eclipse? I'm not actually sure how large their team is, but it seems like they're working on a ton of things at once. I think they need to take a step back before adding or implementing new features, but instead clean up some of their existing features. The weekly showcase is a banger of a feature. Clean it up, have the videos edited to the song, not just clips thrown together, clean up unused parts of the web application, fix the clipping on games, or put them into a beta or tiered category with disclaimers stating the quality of these clips might not be up to par for this particular game. For instance, like I said, with PUBG, it gets random moments and it takes up, the amount of clips that they allow you to have generated for that particular gaming session. I think they need to lower the price of the premium tier because in the platform's current state and the current offering, in my opinion, is not worth $11.99 a month. But overall, Eclipse is a fantastic program for streamers. The ability to save time with automated clips, long-form content, edit and post directly to social media, and you don't need any video editing knowledge. You can create nice looking short form content all from one dashboard and on a mobile app is awesome and is a great benefit to all creators. Give them a try. You can find a link to the platform in the description below. And again, I'm not sponsored by them, nor are they giving me anything for creating this video. But if you do end up testing them out, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, now's a great time to hit that subscribe button, click that thumbs up so other creators like yourself will have an easier time finding this video. As always, links to my equipment is in the video description, and they are affiliate links, so they do help the channel. So thanks for clicking on one. It really, really helps me out, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Have fun creating amazing clips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.